Hello friends, welcome to Soumya's Cookbook. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day in advance. On this special occasion, let's make this yummy and colorful Tiranga dokla representing the tricolors of our Indian flag. This dokla will be very soft and spongy and very yummy, and kids will really enjoy this. Let's see how to make it. For this recipe, here I have taken 1 cup of suji, add half a cup of yogurt, mix it well. You can add water as required. Do not add too much water in the beginning. Here I am adding about 2 tablespoons of water and giving it a nice mix. Now keep it aside for about 20 minutes so that the suji will nicely soak up all the moisture. In the meantime, take a blender, add 1 cup of fresh spinach leaves, add half a cup of fresh coriander leaves, 1 green chili, grind it into a smooth paste. Now keep it aside for later use. Now take the blender again, add 1 cup of chopped carrot. Make it into a fine paste. The paste should be nice and smooth like this. It should not be grainy. Keep this aside as well. Now take a tray like this. You can either take a glass tray or a normal steel tray is fine. Grease the tray nicely all over with some oil and place a parchment paper underneath. And now keep this aside. Now take a big vessel or even a pressure cooker. Place a stand like this inside this. Add some water and bring it to boil. While it is boiling, let's make the suji mixture ready. It has been about 20 minutes now from the time the suji has been kept aside. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this. Add some salt. Mix it well. Add little bit of water if required and give it a nice mix. Now take 3 bowls and divide the suji mixture into 3 portions and add it into these 3 bowls. The portion for the white layer can be a little bit more because we are not going to add any other vegetable paste into this layer. Now take 1 portion for the green layer. Add the spinach paste that we made into this suji mixture and give it a nice mix. Now take some Eno salt. You can also take baking soda if you don't have Eno salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of this Eno salt into this. Add 1 spoon of oil also on the top. This will give a nice texture to this dokla. Mix it all well. Now take the tray that we already greased with oil and pour all this green suji mixture into this in a nice even layer. Give it a tap. Now place this tray into the pressure cooker gently. Place the lid on. Do not put any whistle and cook it for about 5 minutes. By then we can make the next layer ready. Now take the white portion of the suji mixture. Add little bit of water as required to get the right consistency. Mix it well. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of Eno salt and 1 spoon of oil on the top. Give it a mix again. It has been about 5 minutes now. So let's open the pressure cooker lid. As the green layer has been already cooking for about 5 minutes, it will not be mixed up with the white layer when we pour this onto this. Gently pour all this white mixture onto the green layer. Place the lid on and cook it for 5 more minutes. By the time we can make the orange color layer ready. Now take the third suji portion. Add the carrot paste to this and nicely mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to this. This will give a nice red color to this. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of Eno salt. 1 teaspoon of oil on the top. Give it all a mix. Do not make all the 3 layers ready at a time because we need to pour the mixture into the cooking tray immediately after we add the Eno salt. So that's why we are doing each layer one by one. It has been 5 minutes now from the time the white layer has been cooking. So now let's open the pressure cooker. Now gently pour this orange mixture also on top of this and nicely spread it in an even layer. Now place the lid on and cook for about 10 more minutes. It has been 10 minutes now. So let's switch off the flame. Do not open the pressure cooker lid immediately. Let it rest for 5 more minutes before we open the lid. It's been about 10 minutes now from the time it's just resting in the the steam. So let's open it and see. It has come out really nice. You can take a toothpick and prick it and then see if it is nicely done. See, it's not sticking. It's very well cooked. Now let's take it onto a plate. This has been nicely cooled down now. So let's run a knife through the edges like this, gently. Now flip it onto a plate. Give it a tap and gently remove it. Let's remove the parchment paper. Wow, it has come out really well. Just place a plate like this on the top and gently flip it to the other side. Let us add this tempering made out of oil, mustard seeds, green chilies and curry leaves. Let's pour it onto the top. Spread it all over. Now let's cut it and serve. This Tiranga Dokla is looking so beautiful with all the three colors of the flag. It's looking very nice and the layers have been nicely visible separately, the orange, white and green. I'm serving this tricolor Dokla with three different colors of chutneys. A red chutney made of tomato, a white chutney made of coconut and a green chutney made out of mint. So friends, please do try out this recipe as an Independence Day special and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, please like and follow my Facebook page and my YouTube channel for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.